guys, it's Casey. Today I'm coming to you to share a little bit about shirt tags. We get that question a lot. Should I have shirt tags? What do I need to know about shirt tags? And what's my options? So when it comes to shirt tags, there is a couple things you need to know. One, for legal purposes, if you rip the tag out of your shirt that you're selling and put your logo inside of it, you also need to put the directions on there. What kind of material it is and how do you wash it. All right, that's very, very important. You cannot leave that out, all right? It is a federal law that states that those things must be in there. However, I find the best thing to do is to leave that tag in and then go in and add your labels. All right, so here's two I have. Now these are on the bigger spectrum. These are really pockets, but that's what I have printed, so that's what I'm going to show you. Typically, the inside tag should be about 2 inches or 2.5. These are pockets, so they're about 3.5, all right? A little bit on the bigger side, but that's okay for this purpose, just to show you what's up. Now, another thing that's important is color. Like, we can print any color, right? You can make these in any kind of transfer. You can use screen print transfers. You can use DTF transfers. You can use sublimation. If you use toner printers, you can use that. Here's my advice to you. If you don't want to make two different colors, then go with gray. Because gray can be seen on white and gray can be seen on black. And that's going to save you money in the end because you don't have all of these different types of colors out there that you have to pick from. So, you know, maybe you'd be doing black shirts but have some white and you'd have like not enough of one. If you simply go with a gray, it will be versatile and it will work on both of them. Alright guys, some very information about shirt tags. This tag right here is very important for a couple of reasons. If you want to use your own tag inside, that's fine. You can pull this tag off that says the brand. This one says Fruit of the Loom, but you could take it off if it's Bella Canvas or Gilded, Independent. You could take this tag off that says the brand name. Now, this next tag is important. You cannot take this tag off and put a tag with just your logo inside of the shirt. If you take this tag off, then your logo tag has to contain this information. It is required by the federal government. Do you know how you have those mattress tags that you can't just rip off? And that's all about flammability. That's what this tag's for. So you are required to have this information on your shirt if you decide to rip them both out, all right? So I always advise, if you're going to do it, rip this one off, leave this one because it doesn't say brand or anything in it. It's made like that on purpose. And then you could just add your tag inside. Now, this is way bigger than it should be, but that's just what I had. Some people turn their shirts inside out, some people don't. For this, I'm just going to use a little Cricut hand press, and then I am just going to iron it on. Now, remember, your other press requires heat and pressure, right? Pressure is missing from this, so this is trial and error. All right, so it's important that you give a good, strong push. Once I've got that pressed on there, I'm going to let it sit for a few seconds to cool off. Especially because of these smaller letters. And then I can tear away. And I have a nice tag inside of my shirt that no one's going to just rip off and throw in the trash. You know, it looks good from both sides. You may be able to see it a little bit because mine's really big. That's another reason I say gray is the best. But that is some nice branding inside of your shirt, all right? So if you have any questions about these, let us know and we can help you. I'm also going to show you how to order them on our website. So that's the next part of this.